My name is Scott Anderson. I'm here today with the Laytons. We're here at Lazy Day Farms in Vienna, Maryland. I'm with BigIron Auctions. I'm a district sales manager for District 27. We're here to talk today to the Laytons about their auction right now.
I'm Joe Layton, who along with William, my son, Laura, my wife, and Jennifer, my daughter-in-law, the four of us together run Lazy Day Farms. We also run Layton's Chance Winery and Vineyard, which is part of our farming operation. I've farmed here all my life. My father farmed here, my grandfather farmed here. William's been farming with me after he's finished college. But times change and the winery is prospering and growing, and we want to let it continue to. The farm, we've struggled a little bit. We decided we'd rent the land, which we did last summer, and sell all the machinery. And after quite a bit of investigation, decided that we'd like to go with BigIron. It's going to be a very good company, which is going to do a very good job of showing our machinery. Our equipment, most of it has a few years on it. It's not brand new. Our philosophy has always been to buy really good equipment and take really good care of it and run it a long time.
So as far as the open house, would you like to invite anybody or say a word about the open house?
Well, we certainly hope. I mean, we've started talking to local farmers. I hope that they'll come out, look at the equipment, drive around a little bit, make sure everything runs.
We're certainly happy to talk to anybody, answer the questions, tell you honestly what we think of each piece of equipment and its history.
Yeah.
And you can call us, or either one of us, or we'll be happy to meet with you out here anytime it's with anybody, anytime it suits.
Yeah.
Transparency is one of our big core values, and putting the buyer in contact with the seller is something that we pride ourselves on. So I'm thankful that you guys are receptive to that.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.